Hi, Salesforce Trailblazer, it's your good friend Anna Szabo, and in this video I would like to share with you how you can rapidly iterate, test, and deploy your Salesforce data. As a Salesforce certified data architect, I cannot tell you enough about the value of data for your Salesforce. It's the foundation of absolutely everything. We all know the truth. Garbage in, garbage out. Properly organized and architected, clean data in, good data out. So if you want good data for your business, it's up to you to ensure that quality data is flowing in so that you can have quality data flowing out. So how can you actually do it? In this video, I would like to introduce you to a free AppExchange app called Coefficient. You can download it right now. The links are also in the description of this video or somewhere around this video. And it is a 5-star rated app on AppExchange that has raving testimonials from trailblazers just like you and me. But before we get to that point, let me tell you how I know that data is everything in Salesforce. I've worked as a Salesforce consultant with many B2B SaaS companies, preparing, organizing their data to load into Salesforce, loading it, cleaning it up, working with stakeholders, ensuring that everything was up to their expectations so that their business can properly operate and scale without any issues. I also worked on go-to-market teams at 5 different B2B SaaS companies, and I can tell you as an 8-time award-winning marketer that data was the foundation of everything I did. Data was the foundation of everything that our go-to-market team did. And with poor data, many tasks that can grow your business are impossible. That's why you want to care about data wholeheartedly. You really want to prioritize how you go about your data. So why am I talking to you about Coefficient? Coefficient helps you save up to 45% of time when it comes to dealing with data. Yes, I'm saying 45% of your time can be freed, and I'll tell you exactly how they do it. And this number, by the way, is a testimony based on their actual clients. That is why this is a highly reliable number. And I will tell you, having worked as a Salesforce consultant, I invested hours and hours of my daily time to work with data, but you do not have to do it. So this is a 5-star rated app on AppExchange, which means being on AppExchange, this app has gone through a really strict security review. So it is a very secure app, and it's free and time-saving for trailblazers just like you and me. And that is why I'm telling you. So what it actually allows you to do is design, test, and refine your data. And it actually allows you to do it without data teams. So even if your business where you're currently working has data teams, they probably are not always available for your ad hoc requests when it comes to data. And you don't need to be making those requests, because with Coefficient, you can be self-sufficient. With Coefficient, you no longer need data teams. And of course, I've worked with plenty of clients as a Salesforce consultant that did not have data teams. And I worked throughout my previous career as a successful award-winning marketer. I worked on teams that mostly did not have data teams available to us. So we had to do all of our own work. And I would have loved to save 45% of my time and have data self-sufficiency. Now, let me tell you the 5th point I wanted to share with you about Coefficient. Cross-functional teams can interact with your data when you use Coefficient concurrently, and that means multiplied, amplified time saving, efficiency, productivity, effectiveness, and of course, skyrocketed collaboration so that your teams can actually be productive and happy. And I will tell you from my experiences working in tech, that would have been my dream come true. Okay, the 6th point I want to tell you about, you can blend data. Coefficient works with Google Sheets. So in Google Sheets, you can blend your data not just from Salesforce, but from various sources. And you probably asking yourself, is this a one-directional connection? No, it is a bi-directional connection. So you can get your data into Google Sheets from your live Salesforce data and other various sources. And you can also use this app Coefficient to get data into your Salesforce, which is why I'm so excited about it. I'm so enthusiastic about this app. Okay, so what does it give you? The seventh point I wanted to share with you is it gives you robust dashboard templates. It's a whole entire library and also automated alerts. I cannot tell you how many times as a Salesforce consultant I was asked, how can I be alerted about this? How can I be alerted about that? Well, Coefficient helps you get alerted about whatever it is that you want. It's all built in. You don't have to do any manual labor, and it does all the work for you. All you need is to go download it from AppExchange, and it's free. I know what I'm telling you sounds probably like dream come true if you never heard about Coefficient, but it is absolutely an incredible product that you need to know about, which is why I'm here. And when I learned about it, I kept scrolling and scrolling and scrolling on AppExchange, reading 5-star reviews from trailblazers just like you and me. My jaw was dropped on the floor when I was reading the testimonies and use cases, because various teams use Coefficient a little bit differently based on their needs, and the stories, some of the reviews are long-lasting multi-paragraph reviews, and I read them all and I was in awe. That is why I wanted to share about Coefficient with you, Trailblazer. I got your back. The eighth point and the final point I want to make is time saving and sanity saving, and that is you can create cloud data sets that can be reused, recycled, and shared with your teams. This will help your Google Sheets run super fast, and also it will save you a lot of time. Cross-functionally, your teams can contribute to these data sets, and you all can collaborate effectively and save so much time, headache, and actually grow your business effectively. So, was this video helpful? Are you going to go and download the app? If you downloaded this app already, what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Click the like button, share this video with somebody who needs this information right now. You can actually save time for them and help them be a data hero with Coefficient. And thank you so much for watching.